Hi guys, it is Yanni from Yiannimize and welcome back to TWAY episode 71. Now guys, we are here, yes, TWAY is back. We also have TMAY, which is this month at Yiannimize. Now, why have we brought it back? People like long form content and that is why we gave you TMAY. People love the daily content where we shoot around TWAY, so we're giving you this as well. We're giving you rap videos, we're giving you shorts, we're giving you banter, we're giving you going out of the unit, we're giving you everything. So we are catering for every single person that watches this channel. If we put 10 videos out, one of those videos you will definitely like. So let's have a walk around and talk to the staff. First up, C63 AMG 507. This is going on to the Yiannimize competition website. It's wrapped in satin black. It used to belong to Sammy the Han. Theoretically, it still belongs to him and me, but one of you guys can win this. But this will come out next week. Oh, it's a sad day. PIERRE-EMERICK AUBAMEYANG'S Urus is here. He has now signed for Barcelona. He's leaving us. He's a great guy. He's been a great customer. He's been a good friend as well. That is his Urus. He's got the marble wrap. He's got the tyre rise. He's got the big body kit. But yep, he's heading to Barcelona, and I guess so will all his cars. Ray's got a new bike. Look at his new bike. How cool is this bike? And he's wrapped it in satin black. You might have seen that on TMAY. So, because we've got TMAY now, you can actually see the longer form content and see what's going on. He wants to change the colour of this, but we bike people, we car people. Ray's like, he sits on the fence. Got the smart car over there, it's clever. We might do something really cool with that. Should we like twin turbo or do something mad? Chop the roof off. It's a smart car, we don't really care. Right, we'll head to the back before we head into the unit and see the guys. So in the back, you've got Bert's M3, lovely colour, the inside orange. I'm really feeling that. Babs's Lamborghini Urus. It came in for PPF originally for the front end. It's now back for full PPF. I told him it's an 8 grand paint job. What were you thinking? And the reason it's back is, have a look at this. Oh, there we go. I knew it was here somewhere. The whole idea of having PPF is it protects the paintwork. And as you can see, he's already chipped it up. So he was like, you know what, Jan? I need to protect the rest of the car. It's a no-brainer. NICCO'S GTR. Someone will win this car tomorrow unless they prefer £40,000 cash tax-free money. What would you do? You win this and you can have this, or you can say, you know what, Jan? I don't want the car. I'll take the £40,000 cash instead. Let me know what you would do. Yiannimizecomps.com. I don't know. I'm not sure what I would do. The van's there, we don't care about the van. So as we head into here, we're gonna run it. Chrome black Audi A5. This car was black, it's now chrome black. Chrome black is a very popular color and it does look great. It looks like a gray color, I'm not sure how well it comes across on camera, but it looks cool. Nico, Mark, they love wrapping chrome, not. Hi, Mark. Hi, Mark. Mark, we're back. TWAY. Yep.
TMAY.
No.
Oh.
TMAY's this month at Yiannimize. TWAY's this week at Yiannimize. And this could be called T-Day.
Ah.
What's T-Day?
T-Day.
This day at Yiannimize.
2 day at Yiannimize. This day at Yiannimize. Yeah. Because obviously I shoot it in one day. Did you like TMAY?
Yeah, it was really good.
It was good, yeah? You enjoyed it, yeah?
It's good to be back, yeah.
It's good to be back. You're wrapping chrome.
Yep.
Nice and difficult?
Difficult, yeah.
Audi A5, it's not a Lambo, it's not a supercar. The lines, the shape, a lot easier than normal.
It's easier than like curvy, like Aventadors and stuff, because it's kind of flat and, you know. Okay,
you mentioned the Aventador. Nico, come with me, come with me. Come follow me, come follow me. How are you, Nico?
Very good.
Very good, nice, good. Let's talk about your car quickly.
It's going tomorrow, so...
Oh wait, well hold on. Is it going tomorrow or are we hoping someone takes the £40,000 cash?
We'll see. We'll see what's the winner's gonna say.
We'll see what's gonna happen. Right, this Aventador, look at this Aventador. So this is a digital print. What does that mean? It doesn't come just on a roll, it actually gets printed and it's running white, pink, and it runs all the way to the back. This is very Cyan-esque. It also reminds me of the, not GTA, is it Need for Speed? Is it Need for Speed? But how cool does it look? It's got the NERO spoiler, the NERO wheels. If you've got an Aventador and it's not an SV, if you haven't got this spoiler, what are you thinking? It looks really weird without the back. An Aventador does need to have the big spoiler. It looks great. The customer hasn't seen this, so this is gonna be the first time he's seen it. I did actually say to him, can I show it? And he said yes. I haven't even posted this on Instagram yet. G63 AMG Urban. This is being wrapped for Mr. Hublot. Shout out Mr. Hublot. He is the purple man. Everything he usually wraps is in purple. I wonder what colour this car's going. Chris is stripping this car down. Chris, hi Chris, how are you?
Very good, how are you?
I'm good. G-Wagon, stripped down. All good? Easy? Hard?
Me and Pav, we've done a fair few of these now, so yeah, it's normal run of the mill on this one. Lot of screws, lot of bolts, but we know what we're doing.
Nice the fact it's black, isn't it?
Yes, it means that we're not going straight in doing shuts and returns. That cuts down on the amount of work that me and Pav have to do, but there's still a lot of work. It's a G-Wagon.
There's still a lot of work. It's a G-Wagon. As we head round, look at that engine. And this is brand new box fresh. Brand new box fresh. Hi Pav, how are you?
How you doing, mate?
Did you enjoy TMAY?
Come on.
Yeah, you enjoyed that, yeah?
Yep.
That's it. What were your goals? You said about losing weight and you said about... So I need to lose weight as well, it's fine. The thing is, I'm a big guy, so with me, I'm just big all round. For you, you're thin everywhere, and it's like you've just got like a little pot belly.
What about now?
Looks great,
Cool.
looks great. Enjoy TMAY, yeah?
Yeah, come on.
And we like the tune.
I love the tune.
Yiannimize
Our boys are
anthem.
going to do good. Hanson.
Yiannimize anthem.
This is the Yiannimize anthem. It's catchy, it's catchy.
Actually, where are they?
They're over there. No, I don't know where they are.
Oh, they're in the other unit. I was thinking I haven't even seen them yet. Anyway, we're stripping down the G-Wagon. I'll see you later. Let's do some football talk with South. Obviously, Oba's gone, Dele Alli's gone. Who's going to finish higher, Tottenham or Arsenal? Arsenal. We're in the back. We have an X6M competition. This belongs to Litty, who works for Yiannimize Competitions. We've stealthed it out. It looks incredible. There's the original colour there. We've done it in stealth grey, or it's matte PPF, Expel matte PPF, which looks, get it. Let's head to the back. Oh, it looks like pretty much done. What's left? The roof still needs to be done. And the back bumper. Hi Sal, how are we?
Hi, yeah, not too bad.
Hi, yeah, hi, yeah. Are you good?
Yeah, not too bad, thank
Do you know what we're shooting today?
TWAY.
Ooh, nice.
Yes, we're back.
We're back, lean back, right. Let's do Yanni South section. You lost Dele,
Yeah.
we lost Oba. Who do you think the biggest loss is?
Oba.
You think Oba's the biggest loss?
Yeah.
I would agree.
Fantastic player.
Yeah.
Went for free.
He went for free, but if you do the maths, the way they calculate on Sky Sports was that over the 18 months he had left, it would have been 25 million. So theoretically, he went for free, but they saved themselves 25 million over the 18 months. So that's it. I think we're going to regret it later on in the season when we need goals. Granted, he hasn't been on the best form, but he's a goal scorer. Class is permanent. I think that's a big loss. Dele, do you think Frank Lampard will get the best out of Dele Alli?
I'm not too sure about Frank. He's a young manager. Going to, I think he should have gone to like a smaller club and build himself up.
He was at Chelsea.
Yeah, I know, but what did he do at Chelsea?
He done a lot. He built that team, and then Tuchel come in and took it away. Like, done it all. It was easy. I personally think Dele's going to do great. I genuinely believe when you're working with a younger manager, a player that understands another player, I think Dele, you're going to see Dele switch on, and you're going to be like, oh my god, that player used to play for Tottenham.
Yeah.
Nah, okay. Season's going okay. Who's going to finish higher, Arsenal or Tottenham?
Tottenham. We've got a few games in hand. Champions League, 4th place. It's there.
Bird in the hand is worth 2 in the bush. That's it. You might have the games in hand, but you need to get the points. Anyway, that's Sal. He's PPF in this, stealth PPF. You've been very busy recently, these last few weeks.
Yeah, absolutely. Knocking this one out. Almost done now.
Pause. He really likes cars. Yeah?
Yeah, so almost all covered. All the stealth parts all covered. Just got to do the rear bumper, rear quarter, and all the gloss parts in gloss PPF.
And the roof.
And the roof.
Come on, and the roof. Cheers, Sal.
Nice one.
Bye. Right, let's head over to the other side of the unit. Because this is our first week back, we're not going to drop the comment section in. However, if you want to leave any comments, we will address them on next week's episode. Because really, all the previous comments was like, bring back TWAY, bring back TWAY, bring back TWAY, where's TWAY, this is rubbish, bring back TWAY, TWAY. Let's go over there. So as we head into this unit, first car you see is a Range Rover. I've just bought this and I've just sold it. So it's got urban wheels, belonged to one of my customers. It's actually wrapped. It's wrapped in like a grey white. Looks really, really cool. We've got the twins, the rappers, twins kitchen, depends what you want to call them. We've got Dion, this is the Yiannimize anthem. Yeah! What do you think of TMAY?
Really good. Come out very, very well. The boys actually blew it out the water. Definitely want to see what next month's one is like. There's not much feedback, like anything that I would say needs to change or whatever. But what I did notice, still people that aren't happy.
The people that weren't happy, I think it was minimal, and I think it was too long. Pause. But yeah, listen. But this is why we're giving them this. So if they don't want to watch the monthly version, they can watch this. This is a quick version. This is Bish Bash Bosh.
What's this, like the original?
This is the original TWAY, where they walk around, talk to the staff, see what's going on.
To be fair, yeah, that's good then.
We're giving them everything.
That's what a lot of people wanted to see you walking around talking about the cars and stuff. I feel like that is obviously an aspect that was missing. But yeah, it works good to split it into two.
If we give them everything, do you think they can still moan?
They'll find a way to still.
Anyway, that's Dion. Rio's over here, Twins Kitchen. Talking about Twins Kitchen. Let's head over to Twins Kitchen. Let's have a look what we got in there. Let's head over there.
Twins Kitchen is a bit battered today, I apologise.
Oh no, he didn't even know about it.
It's a mess.
What have we got going on? We've got the George Foreman. Oh, that George Foreman's from my house.
Yeah,
cheers, man. That's all right, that's cool. But hold on, let's address the fact of where people were eating. People were commenting. The guys can come upstairs.
Yeah,
and eat.
we actually, we've got a full-on table upstairs. We just choose to stay downstairs because we're lazy and can't be up to run upstairs.
Exactly,
come back
so allow beating me down. They're more than welcome to come upstairs, sit at a table with chairs and everything else, but they like to sit around here and just congregate. Chicken teriyaki noodle. Is this what we've got to now? Is this Twins Kitchen?
I don't know. Mumsy just bought it, so.
Shout out Mumsy. Shout out Mumsy. What else have we got in there?
Bagel.
Bagels. Where's Gus? Bagels in a bowl.
Chicken.
So we're allowing the fast food and we're going for stuff that we're buying on a
budget, kind of.
On a budget, yeah. Are you still dropping the fast food on a Friday?
No, you know what? I haven't had fast food in a while.
Really?
Yeah, healthy living.
Healthy living, okay. And yeah, it's not the best. It's not the best. Twins
No,
Kitchen.
I'm gonna have a tidy up because there's someone, Mr. Steakman.
What, Kian?
Yeah, he's got to help us tidy up.
He's got to help you tidy up, yeah. All right. Talk to him about the Yiannimize anthem. Do you enjoy shooting that?
Yeah, but we need to do a video for it now
Yeah,
as well,
we're
innit?
going to shoot a video. Okay, listen, right, so I didn't know about that song. They surprised me, which was incredible. I loved it. Now they're telling me we're going to shoot a video.
So we're going to surprise him with a video.
No, I'd like to be in the video.
All right,
You
cool,
know,
you could be in the
I'd like to
video
make a guest
then.
appearance in that video, but also I think we need a second verse. So run the second verse. We'll have two verses. We'll
We'll
the
make
chorus.
it longer.
Make it longer.
Because I see a few people asking for it on like streaming platforms and stuff. So it could be something that
All right, so let's shoot a video. Let's add a second verse. We've got the chorus. Romeo done.
Romeo done.
Nice. Good work. Good work, Rio. Let's talk to Nom Nom. Hi, Nom Nom.
Hello.
Getting married this year.
I am.
April. Married Mark. Have you got your dress?
Yes, I have.
Have you got your hairdresser?
Yes.
Have you got your makeup artist?
Yes.
Have you got your shoes?
Yes.
She's got everything. You prepared?
Yes.
Organised?
Yep.
Nervous?
Little bit.
Yeah. You're going to be Mrs. Dela Cruz?
Mhm.
From Naomi Hills?
Yes.
Hills Dela Cruz. Dela Cruz. That's a good surname, Dela Cruz,
It
isn't
is quite film star like.
Quite film. Oh, hi, I'm Naomi Dela Cruz. Ready for it?
Yes.
Yeah. And walk down the aisle. You can do like a little bop as well.
No.
No? Yeah. Have you got your walking? Do you practice together to walk together?
No, I haven't practiced yet. I need to practice that.
Need to practice.
Yeah.
Okay, well listen, that's Nomski. Do you like TMAY?
I did. I watched the whole thing yesterday.
Yeah.
And I thought it was quite funny. I liked that episode.
It was good. It was a good episode. Okay. Well, we're shooting TWAY, but we'll bring back TMAY as well. So every week, every month, we've got loads of content.
Good.
Okay, cool. Right. Let's head over to Kian. Kian, the driver. Kian, glad you're alive, first of all.
Yeah, glad I'm alive as well.
How you doing, bro?
All good, just post-heating.
Post-heating. Explain to people at home what post-heating is.
All right, so once we finish doing shuts and returns, we post-heat it, we bake the vinyl to 90 degrees. We do that straight after we've laid it, and then we'll come back to it to the end of the day, and then first thing in the morning, we'll do it one more time, just to be safe, make sure that post-heating sticks.
Keeps the vinyl down. That's the whole idea. You don't want lifting and stuff. So he has his temperature gun, he has his heat gun, pew pew, and it's all ready. It's going satin black. It's a Porsche Taycan. Is it Turbo S or normal? Is it Turbo S? Hold on. So we've got Dion and Rio arguing with each other. We're about to find out. It's what? It's electric,
It's
not
electric,
petrol.
not petrol.
Okay. Wait. Let's head up. Wait. Hold on. You ain't got a mic. Hold on. Hi, Andy. Didn't see you there, mate. Right. Okay. Is it a Turbo S?
Well, the badges say turbo, so. So it's not a normal one then. You said it's just a TAYCAN.
But it's not a Turbo S, it's a turbo.
But it's not just a normal one, it's a turbo.
So which one is it?
You just switch what you said.
TAYCAN turbo, without the S.
There's plenty of BS going on here right now, I'll tell you that.
There's a lot.
Right, let's talk to Andy. Hi, Andy. How are we? Looking very, very blue. I like the fact you wear blue
gloves as well.
And blue gloves. That's what we should do. You could be the blue man. We've got blue hair.
Yeah, what was that character that was blue?
The Smurfs.
That's the one.
Papa Smurf over here.
No, it was out of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, wasn't it? The Oompa Loompas were blue.
Were they?
Blue, or they were orange.
Naomi will know. Naomi, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory with the Oompa Loompas blue.
Blue or orange? Oh, they were
Orange. I knew she would know. You know when you're young and you're a girl, you would definitely know that. I knew she'd know that. How's things?
Well, yeah, all good, all good.
Living life?
Yeah, yeah. Kicking and screaming.
Kicking and screaming. Yeah. Well, listen, that is Andy. And that's in for a Pandora. It's a Kia in for a Pandora. See, people will protect their own car. That to someone else, that to the owner is like a Lamborghini to them. So it's always good to protect your car. It doesn't matter if your car is £1,000 or £300,000, protect it. You don't want anyone to steal it. Let's head outside. And that is the end of TWAY or T-Day. What do you reckon? TWAY's this week at Yiannimize, T-Day this day at Yiannimize, today at Yiannimize, and we've got TMAY this month at Yiannimize. What do you reckon we should call this? This is episode 71. I hope you enjoyed it. We're trying to give you everything you want. So whatever content you want, we are going to cater to your needs. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Take care, much love.